Good morning, Dr. Vikram.
Good morning.
And as you know, this diabetes is a very dreadful disease,
Yeah.
and people are suffering. Even youngsters are suffering with this.
Yes.
So I want information about the disease, how people can get rid of this.
Diabetes, as you know, is too many calories
Okay.
one consumes
Uh-huh.
and less consumption of them. That leads to imbalance in the system, imbalance of the carbohydrate metabolism. This
Okay.
is called diabetes. So the body is not able to control the sugar level. There
Okay.
is too much influx of sugar, too much sugar coming in your body. And
Okay.
the insulin is not able to control it.
Uh-huh.
There is an organ called pancreas in our body which controls the sugar and it releases the insulin as per requirement. But if there is too much flow of carbohydrates in the body, too much intake,
Okay.
there is no burning of calories, no exercise. So that leads to diabetes.
A very sedentary lifestyle and bad food habits, basically the
bad
cause.
food habits and lifestyle. It's a lifestyle disease. It's called silent killer because the person doesn't know it. He has got diabetes. He has become diabetic because it appears slowly, and he feels fatigued and tired.
Okay.
Then he goes to the laboratory and comes to know that he's diabetic now.
Okay.
The best nowadays, especially in 21st century, there are a lot of patients. The number of patients have increased. The
Okay.
reason, as you know, after 70s or 80s, there is a revolution in the way we work. Drastic change in the way we
Yeah,
work.
it's drastic change.
Yeah, lifestyle has become so hectic. It is all the time people are living in too much stress.
Yes.
Stress has also a role to play in diabetes.
Uh-huh.
People like India and China, their population, they have becoming diabetic. It's like spreading like an epidemic in these
Okay.
countries. And even in the developed world like America and in Europe,
Uh-huh.
a lot of people, they are becoming diabetic.
Okay, so
Stress is also one of the reasons, because the stress causes a release of immediately the adrenaline and the cortisol from the organs.
okay.
So cortisol is the reason immediately the sugar level goes up. Whenever you are fearful, whenever you are your body, your mind is in stress, whenever you feel fear, if you see a lion, you feel fearful,
Yeah.
and immediately you feel unsafe,
Yes.
insecure, and you want to do something, and that something feeling to get rid of that feeling, your body secretes cortisol and adrenaline.
Yeah.
So blood pressure and sugar. So if nowadays the lion is permanent in our life, the lion of insecure of our careers, of our lifestyle, of our financial condition, of our relationships. So all the time we are
So much
having
pressure.
So much pressure. The stress lion of our jobs.
Yeah.
So much pressure on the mind, continuous release of cortisol, continuous release of adrenaline, leading to these lifestyle diseases like diabetes and blood pressure.
Okay.
So the best way is relax yourself, take your time out, number one. Second is meditation and yoga and exercise,
Okay.
burning of the calories. Third is taking care of the diet, very
Okay.
important. Fourth is, of course, some herbs, use of some herbs and spices.
Okay.
There are herbs like turmeric, herbs like gymnema, herbs like bitter melon, herbs like amla. They are very good for maintaining the sugar levels.
Okay.
So there is a combination called madhume antak churna.
Okay.
Madhume is what we call
Diabetes.
in Ayurveda, in
Okay.
Sanskrit language. So madhume antak churna. Antak means to end it. Antak.
Okay.
Madhume antak churna is a combination of various herbs. So they work on pancreas, they work on the blood to keep the sugar in control. And there are some herbs like gymnema, bitter melon.
Okay. So these herbs basically control sugar levels, or they help to?
Yeah, they control sugar levels. They don't have side effects.
Okay.
Many diabetic patients, they keep on taking anti-diabetic pills, which causes side effects in the long term.
Okay.
So use of herbs, if the sugar is controlled by using herbs, it's all natural. and there are no side effects. So it's better to divert.
So, of course, one have to use this for a long time, for a lifelong, maybe.
I would say for at least if the levels are maintained by diet and exercise, then even if you take herbs for the lifetime, that doesn't matter, because herbs are like your food.
They are safe.
Yeah, they are very safe.
Okay.
Especially if they are made by a good company. They are safe.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Vikram, for explaining in such a detail. Thank you.